Guys, welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. We are going to go for a little bit of a walk, grab some lunch/breakfast as it's kind of in between the two, and check out the place. We're staying at the Areca Lodge, which is nice and close on Soy Diana. So we're going to have a little bit of a wander, see what we can find as far as food goes, and check out the place during the day. All right, the front of Areca. It's a big hotel. Chill spot out the front there. Onto Soy Diana. Let's go for a walk and let's grab some breakfast somewhere. Good thing about the Areca is that it's close to Metro, so if you like to grab a drink, then LK Metro is a good place to go. So it's nice and close. Do what you want. Very quiet by the day though, so nothing really happens at LK Metro until much later on. As we continue up Soy Diana. We're going to try and check out Kungs. Looks good. Put a cup. Oh, cup. Okay, so just about to get tucked into this breakfast. I've got myself 2 sausages, caramelized onion with chili and beef, I think the other one it was. A couple of poached eggs. I've got myself some beans, some bacon, and a hash brown, so all ready to go. All in all, a really good breakfast at Kungs. Highly recommended. It's definitely in my top 3 in Pattaya as far as breakfast goes. Really tasty, all in all, and consistent. So get down to Kungs for your breakfast fix.